know what this is? What this stands for?
What?
W Mans.
Hey! How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I think I'm ready to run that 2.5 like it's a 1.5.
This is stance tough.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how we feel?
Like, probably 7.
7. Perfect. Leg relay, let's go! Start in 3, 2, 1. First leg, how was it?
Very good.
Hey, how was it? Dead? Bruh.
And then you know, you just kind of I feel like
Yellow Blue TRC.
In Spanish.
Amo TRC.
Sniders.
I'm so above and beyond. You take drugs to make it up, way up where we on. Space shuttle Elon. Time we don't waste much. Fuck when we wake up. Then I have her sang just like Celine Dion. Catch me if you can, but you'll never catch me. Damn. Whole lot of yes I am. All the way in with no exit plan. Already left and the jet don't land.
How'd that feel?
Calm.
Calm?
So tough. Yeah. I was gonna say, man.
The photo.
Come out here, you gotta do the right things.
Yeah, I gotta do the right things. That Nike Glaze. What pace did you go?
522.
Holy shit! I'm not taking.
Is this cinematic? What? Oh, okay.